Welcome to Nate's Red Sea Reefer Build. I'm your host, Nine Stick Nate. Herein lies a wealth of information displayed in a tactful, refined, and prestigious manner for our most privileged benefactors. Quality for quality, this channel is reserved for advanced hobbyists. If you are a novice or intermediate reefer, we graciously invite you to leave immediately. Au revoir. So it's time to scape some rock. I recommend doing it on a table. It'll help your lower back. And also when you scape rock on the floor, once you glue it together and put it in your tank, the angle might change a little bit and it might look a little bit funky. I added some feet to the structure to elevate it, of course, and so flow can pass underneath it, create some little caves, just to lift up the structure a little bit. To create these overhangs, I added super glue with some accelerator. That stuff's amazing. I've never used it before, and it solidifies instantly. I then was able to add a little bit of putty to the area and some sand as well, to kind of hide up the seams. I typically don't like going more than halfway up with the rocks. A mistake I usually make is add too much rocks in the beginning. And then when corals start to grow, I think, why did I add so many rocks? And I have to rescape things. So with this structure, I wasn't very happy with it. They looked like two diving boards, just kind of suspended on each other. It didn't look natural. So I got these little pieces of rock and added it, and it just kind of tied it together a little bit better, I think. Kind of hides the cement as well. But, really, I'm using LEDs and there's a lot of shadowing, so little blunders like this will kind of fill in easier. If I was using T5s or metal halides, everything would kind of show up. But mind you, in a couple months things will grow and it'll be covered with algae, or hopefully corals, and you won't notice any little imperfections. So you can see a file down there. I used it to kind of rough out any sharp edges, just to, I don't know, because I have OCD. I used Aqua Forest, the cement that they have. I had some putty and then super glue with accelerator. Like I said, the accelerator is amazing. And here we go. I really like working with this rock. I like the shape, the weight, the texture, and the color. And this stuff is very strong, hard to break. I used a chisel to break things off, but then it looks a little bit unnatural. You have to kind of chip away the corners with a cold chisel or a Shawshank Redemption hammer. And some footage with just my whites on. No blues, no pinks, no purples, just white lights. And finally, the price breakdown. Each box weighed 10 kilograms, which is 22 pounds, and cost 75 euros, or $84 a box. Total amount used, 2 boxes. I want to thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Any questions, leave them below. Till next time. Cheers.